So, Holden, working with you in tutorial class over the last 2 years has made me a better teacher. I don't know if you know, but Holden and I were scrutinized by the Orton Gillingham Academy we had 10 hour-long videos of us in class. And Holden really helped me a lot with the technology. And he was an exemplary student, just amazing. But we've all come to appreciate, Holden, your considerable abilities. Gettysburg is just one example. I remember you repeatedly insisted to me that you could not remember anything ever. But you ended up delivering a totally flawless speech. In academic classes, you showed your determination to overcome every challenge. You developed a strong brotherhood with the other students here. You played hard on the soccer field. And you made lifelong friends. We will miss you, and we know your future will be bright. Your book award has to do with the League of Legends, something you also shine in, and maybe get to the diamond level. I'm sure you will.